soil here is perfect. Look at the leaves.
Yes, the moisture levels are ideal for the harvest next week.
They look promising for the third week.
Cherries are looking perfect. We should start the NESCAFE harvest on Monday.
Come on, bring it back, right here. Next truck. Back up a little more. The efficiency on this new line is remarkable. We need less pressure on the beans. The consistency is still off. Try reducing the flow rate. The separation looks good.
These look perfect. Uniform color across the...
We're getting some variance over here.
Let me see, the calibration. Keep it moving, ladies. The left truck is almost full.
Arm is clear.
Firing up the sequence now.
The level is rising faster than expected.
Batch 45 just cleared approval.
The pressure is spiking slightly at intake.
Noted. It's within...
Nozzle's clear, airflow looks good. Did you check the pressure valve?
Just tightened it.
The thickness is good. Yeah, uniform freeze as well.
Sample 12B meets the profile.
Agreed, the roast is perfect.
The fragrance is intense.
Check the flow right here.
Looks perfectly within spec.
Fault detected on line 2.
We need to adjust the temperature on line 3.
Check the pressure on that last one.
Pallet 42 scanned.
Looks good. Straps look good up there. Are the manifests ready?
Yes, everything is.
We need that pallet cleared by 3.
Working on it, almost done scanning.
This one goes to the north quadrant.
Okay, I'll take this heavy one to
Make sure these go to temporary holding zone 3.
Got it. I'll clear a spot on this pallet.
Make sure the alignment is precise on this batch. We can't afford.
Sample 12B meets the profile.
Agreed, the roast is perfect.
The fragrance is intense.